Welcome to Webstyle Press. If you are new here, consider subscribing and hit bell icon. When I started Fiverr, website responsiveness was new. Media queries were introduced in CSS and everybody wanted to make his website responsive across all devices. I knew very well how to do responsiveness and was enjoying media queries a lot back then. Naturally, out of interest, I created a gig on Fiverr to make website responsive. My gig attracted a lot of interest and traffic at Fiverr. I enjoyed that period quite a lot, received a lot of orders and made a lot of money. What I did not know back then was I selected relatively new and high demand tasks to do. For that time, and it kicked off. I was actually pretty good and fast in making website responsive. For the time, responsiveness and media queries were still new to the field. Here is a pro tip for you. If you are a freelancer and use Fiverr, pick a trending topic. Pick a relatively new technology, pick a hot category, pick an in-demand job, or pick latest technology to work with. Pick a task to do that is not being done by anybody else or there are relatively less freelancers doing it. Pick a relatively new solution for a problem or pick a new problem to provide solution for. Pick new technology that is still in experimenting phase and you're gonna get a lot of orders. This tip has potential to make you a millionaire. The problem is finding a right gig and utilizing its potential at right time. If you choose this strategy, your gig will get promotion from network itself. But now, Fiverr officially lets you promote your gigs. At Fiverr, you have to create a gig and wait for the orders. Not anymore. You can promote your gigs yourself at Fiverr now. Search for promoted gigs at Fiverr or in Google and you will find it. Fiverr places promoted gigs at prime locations and boosts its visibility in front of buyers. It's a promoted gig and you will have to pay for it. But you will pay only for results and clicks, not the views. You can control the amount by selecting maximum you are willing to pay for each click and maximum that you can spend daily to promote your gig. Update limits anytime. So at Fiverr, if you are getting some orders, you can increase those orders by reinvesting in your top selling gigs. You can pay with your balance that you have earned at Fiverr. This is the promoted gig page, and if you scroll down, you can see promoted best performing gigs. And then when your ad spot, set the maximum amount you are willing to pay per click on your ad and pay for clicks. Pay with your Fiverr balance. Control your activity, view, track, manage your ads. There are few eligibility requirements to promote your gig. You should be a level 2 or top rated seller. At least one of your gigs should be in an eligible category. One of your gig should have 4.7 score in public rating. Your gig should have at least 30 reviews to promote it. Fiverr is supporting many categories that can qualify for promoted gigs in graphic design, digital marketing, writing and translation, video and animation, music and audio, programming and tech, business related services, and their subcategories. You can promote more than one gig. You cannot promote a new gig yet. Promoted gigs will have a badge at them containing text ad. Promoted gig will look like this. And this is the text ad that will appear at top of promoted gig. You can stop promoting gig anytime or cancel your gig ad anytime. So go to Fiverr and if you qualify for promoted gigs, try this feature. It's good. Spend some on your top gig to get more business and revenue. It's a win-win scenario. If you're not freelancer yet and intend to become one, I encourage you to create account at Fiverr and explore opportunities there. You will find some opportunities for you. Start freelancing. I hope you like this video. If I missed anything, comment down below. If you haven't already subscribed, subscribe to this channel and hit bell icon to receive updates. Join us on social media. Links are in the description below. Stay tuned for more updates. I will see you in the next video.